In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gamma Eye for free. If you've been curious about using AI to create polished presentations, documents, or simple web pages without paying a cent, this walkthrough will show you the official, no-cost way to get started in just a few minutes. Gamma offers a fully functional free plan, and the best part is you don't need a credit card to try it. You'll get immediate access to the core experience, so you can explore how the AI helps you structure ideas, generate layouts, and clean up formatting automatically. This is perfect if you want to test the waters before considering any upgrades later. Here's exactly how to do it. Open your favorite browser and head to gamma.app. On the home page, look for the option to sign up. Click sign up, and you'll be prompted to create your account. You can continue with your Google account for the quickest setup, or use your email address if you prefer to keep things separate. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be inside your workspace right away. There's no payment form, no trial countdown, and no card required. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Use a modern browser so all editor features load properly. If you're on a restricted school or work account and run into any permission issues, switch to a personal email to avoid admin blocks. Occasionally, you might see a short onboarding or a request to confirm your email. That's normal and helps secure your account. Once you're in, you can start creating immediately. The interface is designed so you don't have to wrestle with slide masters or complex styling. Just describe what you want to make and let the AI generate a first draft you can refine. Try starting with a short prompt like the topic, audience, and tone you want, then adjust headings, layouts, and visuals as you review. Saving happens automatically, so you won't lose your work as you explore. Because this is the official free plan, you'll get a feel for the workflow without commitment. You may notice some usage limits, like caps on certain AI actions or exports, but for most new users, it's more than enough to evaluate how Gamma fits your needs. If you ever decide you need more, you can upgrade later from within your account. Until then, enjoy the free access. That's it. Go to gamma.app, sign up with Google or email, and start creating right away on the free plan. No credit card needed.